How to fix Gcash Amex declined. If your Gcash Amex virtual card is getting declined while making an online purchase, then in this video I will guide you on how to fix this. The first thing you want to do is launch open your Gcash app. Now you want to check your Gcash balance. Make sure you have enough balance in your Gcash wallet. Amex card pulls directly from your wallet, so if it is low or empty, the transaction will fail. Next thing you want to do is enable online payments in Gcash settings. For that, open your Gcash app, go to My Linked Accounts, then select Gcash Amex Virtual Pay. Make sure it is activated properly. You also want to use correct billing address when making a purchase. Next thing you want to do is check for transaction limits. Gcash and Amex both have daily or monthly transaction limits. If you've reached them, your card might get temporarily blocked from processing. You also want to update or relink your Amex card. For that, open up Gcash, go to My Linked Accounts, select Gcash Amex, then tap on Link, then link it again. Sometimes refreshing the connection solves background issues. If none of these steps work, then you simply want to contact the customer support of Gcash. You can either chat with the customer support agent or call the hotline. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.